My name is Elise Hashikutuva. I'm the Deputy Director of Tourism Development in the Directorate of Tourism and Gaming, Ministry of Environment, Forestry and Tourism. It's indeed an honor and privilege for me to welcome you to this important occasion, which is the official launch of the GIZ and UNESCO project. And this project is on the promoting sustainable tourism, private sector engagement for inclusivity, community development in response to the COVID-19 crisis. As we continue to revive the sector, the tourism sector, we need to strengthen the collaboration between our stakeholders, both in the tourism sector and in heritage sector, and also our development partner. Overall, the objective of this project will lay a foundation of more strategic approach to promote sustainable tourism and heritage destinations, while at the same time supporting the social and cultural cohesion of communities. This project will focus on three outputs. Number one, promote sustainable tourism approach at the World Heritage Destinations. Two, creation of short-term job opportunities for young graduates in the hospitality industry through the application of Cash for Work, the scheme for cultural heritage safeguarding and maintenance of intervention in selected World Heritage properties. Number three, to enhance training and capacity building for tourist guides and also for craft making sectors, with a focus on women through the development of micro accreditation schemes. As reflected in our program that we need to have various stakeholders to share more information on promoting sustainable tourism engagement for inclusive community development. Let us stand together for our tourism sector to continue growing from strength to strength. With this I said, I would like to welcome you all for this significant launch of the GIZ UNESCO project. I thank you.